Welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here today. Whether you're an experienced content creator or just starting out, this video is filled with valuable insights that can transform your YouTube journey. Today, we're revealing the secrets of YouTube automation using invideo and ChatGPT. These tools can revolutionize the way you create and manage your content, making the process smoother and more efficient. Imagine a system that works for you around the clock, generating passive income with minimal effort. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many successful YouTubers are already experiencing. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to start your YouTube journey and see incredible results. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to leverage these powerful tools. Check the link in the description for an exclusive 50% discount on in-video subscriptions at invideo-io. This offer is a fantastic opportunity to get started with professional video editing software at a fraction of the cost. First, find a niche you're passionate about or one with high demand. Your niche is the cornerstone of your channel, and choosing the right one can set you on the path to success. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas that attract viewers. This AI tool can help you generate a plethora of ideas, ensuring you never run out of content. A well-chosen niche sets the foundation for your success. It helps you target a specific audience, making it easier to grow your channel and engage with your viewers. Combine your interests and skills with what people are searching for. This intersection is where you'll find the most success, as it allows you to create content that is both enjoyable for you and valuable to your audience. Tech reviews, cooking tutorials, fitness tips, or niche hobbies can be gold mines. These topics have a broad appeal and can attract a large audience if done correctly. Generate 30 video ideas with ChatGPT for your chosen niche. This ensures you have a steady stream of content ideas, keeping your channel fresh and engaging. These ideas ensure you have engaging content for an entire month. Consistency is key on YouTube, and having a content plan helps you stay on track. With your ideas ready, create your videos using invideo. This software makes video creation easy and fun, even if you're a beginner. Input your script, customize visuals, and add effects. InVideo offers a wide range of templates and tools to make your videos look professional. Add your own voiceover to make your content more personal and engaging. Your voice adds a unique touch to your videos, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Upload and schedule your videos on YouTube to keep your channel active. Regular uploads help you build a loyal audience and improve your channel's visibility. Scale your efforts to create multiple channels and increase your earnings. Diversifying your content can help you reach different audiences and maximize your revenue potential. Click the link in the description for a 50% discount on InVideo subscriptions at invideo-io. This limited time offer is a great way to access premium video editing tools without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Here's to your success, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel and achieve your goals. Staying updated with the latest YouTube trends is crucial. It helps you understand what type of content is currently popular and what viewers are looking for. This knowledge can guide your content creation process and help you stay relevant. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance. Analyzing your data can provide insights into what's working and what's not. This allows you to make informed decisions and continuously improve your content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community. Interaction fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to return to your channel. It also provides valuable feedback that can help you refine your content. Collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach. Joint projects and cross-promotion can introduce your channel to new audiences and create mutually beneficial relationships. Create a content calendar to plan your video releases. This helps you stay organized and ensures a consistent upload schedule, which is key to maintaining viewer interest and growing your channel. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better searchability. Using relevant keywords and SEO strategies can improve your video's visibility and attract more viewers. Design custom thumbnails that grab attention. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and a compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Create engaging video intros and outros to reinforce your branding. Consistent branding helps build recognition and makes your channel look more professional. Promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Sharing your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can drive more traffic to your YouTube channel. Set up monetization options to start earning from your videos. Enabling ads, exploring sponsorships, and using affiliate marketing are just a few ways to generate revenue from your content. Consider creating a Patreon page to offer exclusive content and engage with your most dedicated fans. This can provide an additional revenue stream and strengthen your relationship with your audience. Invest in your education by attending YouTube workshops and online courses. Continuously learning new skills and staying updated with industry trends can give you a competitive edge. Set clear goals for your YouTube channel and track your progress. Celebrating milestones, no matter how small, can keep you motivated and focused on your long-term vision. Experiment with advanced video editing techniques to enhance the quality of your content. Trying new styles and effects can keep your videos fresh and engaging, attracting more viewers. Network with other content creators and attend industry events. Building connections can open up new opportunities for collaboration and growth. Manage your time effectively to balance content creation with other responsibilities. Time management skills are essential for maintaining consistency and avoiding burnout. Use productivity tools to organize your workflow and streamline video production. Tools like Trello, Asana, and Notion can help you stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. Analyze competitor channels and learn from successful YouTubers. Observing what works for others can provide valuable insights and inspire new ideas for your own content. Create a unique value proposition to differentiate your channel from others. Highlighting what makes your content special can attract viewers who are looking for something different. Stay motivated and overcome challenges by staying focused on your goals. The journey to YouTube success can be long and challenging, but persistence and dedication will pay off in the end. Celebrate small wins and stay positive. Enjoying the content creation process is crucial for long-term success. Remember, your passion and enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and resonate with your audience. Reflect on your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Continuous improvement is key to staying relevant and growing your channel. Share your success stories and inspire others. Building a supportive community of fellow content creators can provide encouragement and motivation for everyone involved. plan your future content, and set new goals. Looking forward to new opportunities keeps you excited and motivated to continue growing your channel. Thank your viewers and express your gratitude. Building a loyal audience starts with appreciating the support and feedback you receive from your viewers. Get excited about the next steps and be ready to implement new strategies. The journey to YouTube success is filled with learning and growth, and each step brings you closer to achieving your goals. Review your video script and prepare for your next video. Staying organized and planning ahead ensures a smooth content creation process. Use InVideo and ChatGPT together for a seamless integration and efficient workflow. These tools complement each other perfectly, making the entire process of content creation and management much easier. Get excited about your future videos and look forward to sharing more content with your audience. Building anticipation keeps your viewers engaged and eager for your next upload. Reflect on your journey and feel accomplished. You've come a long way and you're ready for new challenges and opportunities. Keep pushing forward and striving for success. Celebrate your success and feel motivated. You're ready to take on the world and achieve great things with your YouTube channel. Keep up the hard work and dedication, and the results will follow. Thank you once again for watching. We're excited to continue this journey with you and share more valuable content in the future. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content that you love. Here's to your success, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep growing, and keep shining. Goodbye for now.